What is going on, everyone? My name is Brob and thank you all for watching today's video where we will be discussing the latest news regarding crypto. Do not forget to subscribe. We will be posting daily on X and 2 or more videos a week on YouTube. First of all, let's check out the charts. So not much has happened since like April, February, where we had this pump. We have been going sideways and yeah, right now we are currently retesting this inverse head and shoulders pattern. It's quite interesting because something is happening, and when I flip on these resistance and support levels I've drawn right here, you can see we are currently forming a bit of a triangle formation, which can either lead to the upside or break to the downside. Like usually it continues the pattern, so there's a higher probability that we go see something like this, have a retest and go up. But if we come down here and this key level does not hold up, we will break down, and this is quite a big move, so this could take us all the way to like down 42,000. Which do you guys think is more likely, that we'll see a breakdown or continuation to the upside? If we see continuation to the upside though, that means we probably can hit somewhere around 90k, I think, because when we, let's say, break out right here, have a retest, go up, like it should bring us around like 85k to like 90k, which actually is a nice big pump if that were to happen. In my opinion, we will see a breakout to the upside more likely than a breakout to the downside, even though we are currently right hovering along this support line right here. Looking at the S&P, that's why I'm thinking we're going up. Like it's been going up for a long, quite a big few percentages, while Bitcoin has gone down and sideways and down. So like usually Bitcoin catches up to like the S&P. So I think there is more room to the upside than to the downside looking at Bitcoin. Still, not financial advice though. I can't say for certain which is gonna happen, but on a scale of probability, I'd say it's more likely we see something like this instead of something like this. Alright, so next, what is happening with the altcoins? Looking at the altcoins, we'll see the last week, like all the altcoins are down, not really massively, but like quite a lot. ETH is actually doing very nice with only down 3% this week. But looking at like something like OP or Render is one of the ones I'm holding a lot of. Also Sai, ANA, like a lot of these altcoins are down like 20%, between 15 and 20%, while Bitcoin is actually only down 3.9%. Looking at the month, we see like a lot of down as well, more likely down like between 30 and 40%, which is not really good for the altcoins. Maybe it's a good time to invest in altcoins. I'm not saying it's not a good time to invest in altcoins, because yeah, the lower they go, the cheaper you can get them. And probably the altcoin season will come around sometime. So when Bitcoin sees like this pump and consolidates around here, we are most likely going to see altcoins go nuts, because they've been waiting to go nuts for a long time. Some have gone, like as you can see, like some have done like 200% last month, but most of them haven't. So all these altcoins are probably more likely to see more upside than Bitcoin once Bitcoin pumps a lot harder here, reaches this level. So yeah, the spot ETF Bitcoin, like it has not been doing that great last week. We can see like a lot of outflows right here in the red. I think it's totaled up like 900 million in net outflows last week, which yeah, is not really good for Bitcoin. But then again, yeah, who's selling? Like looking at this chart, we can see that most of the selling pressure is coming from, yeah, probably from Fidelity and also from like a lot of from Grayscale. So Grayscale, like they just sell. They've been selling for since the ETF was live. So yeah, you could always expect more selling from Grayscale since they still hold a lot of Bitcoin. Fidelity though, like they had a massive accumulation right here on this day, and like usually most of that is now erased in this last week, so not really too bad, but still we rather see like some nice positive numbers like this, but we'll see what next week is bringing, because it's action-packed week actually. Next week we will be seeing the PCA inflation data for May, also the US personal income spending data for May on Friday, which is it's big. Also, Fed officials will be speaking about like what they're gonna do with Bitcoin. This is not, I don't think like the US GDP growth rate is that important on Thursday, but he thinks otherwise, so let's see. By the way, follow me on X if you want. Crypto Brob on X. I'll post daily. Just started, but we will post daily. Hopefully we can grow this channel to a couple hundred subscribers. Would be very nice. Alright everyone, that was it for this video. Follow me on X if you want to stay updated. Also leave a subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.